Hello guys, today I'm going to show you some new cool features of Linky's electronics. In the old release we had a push button here where you can switch on. Now switching on is very simple. Just open Linky. Now let's go on the remote control where we made the most important changes. Remote switches on pushing the right push button. He turns on and searches for his companion, it's Linky. When Linky turns on, the remote controls finds him and with this LED indicates the state of charge of the Linky's battery. When the remote control has found his Linky companion, the movement is still disabled. To enable Linky, just press the right button and move the joystick. This for safety reasons. With the new remote control, you can switch on the light. Just double click the left button. And with the new remote control, you can select the riding modes. Holding the right button, you go in the riding mode selection. Each color identifies a riding mode. Yellow is the sport mode. Green, eco mode. Purple identifies the safety mode. Blue, the cruise mode. Select riding mode, hold the right button, and you are ready to ride.